In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a drip email campaign in Squarespace email campaigns. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a simple automated sequence that welcomes new subscribers, nurtures leads, and keeps your audience engaged without you having to send each message manually. First, open your Squarespace dashboard and head to Email Campaigns. If you haven't used it before, make sure your site is connected to email campaigns with an active plan. From here, you'll be able to build and manage all of your emails in one place. Next, start a new campaign and choose the Automated or Drip option. This tells Squarespace you want a series of emails to send on autopilot rather than a one-time blast. Give your automation a clear internal name so you can find it easily later, especially if you plan to build multiple sequences. Now choose the trigger that will start the drip. Common triggers include someone signing up to your newsletter, joining a specific segment, or performing an action like downloading a free resource. Pick the trigger that matches your goal and confirm which audience or segment you want to include, so only the right people enter the sequence. With the trigger in place, create the emails your subscribers will receive. Start with a warm welcome that sets expectations, then follow with value-driven messages such as helpful tips, product education, or stories that build trust. Write clear subject lines, keep your content scannable, and include one primary call to action in each email. Use your brand's colors and images to keep the sequence consistent and professional. If available, personalize with details like first name to increase engagement. Set the timing and order for each message. Think about your audience's attention span and the purpose of each email. A typical flow might send the first email right away, the second after 1 or 2 days, and subsequent emails spaced a few days apart. Avoid sending too many messages too quickly. It's better to build a steady cadence that feels helpful rather than overwhelming. Before you go live, review and test everything. Send test emails to yourself, check every link, and preview on both desktop and mobile. Proofread the copy. Verify the from name and reply to address, and make sure your unsubscribe and footer details look correct. When you're confident, activate the drip campaign. After it's live, monitor performance, opens, clicks, and unsubscribes, and use those insights to refine your subject lines, timing, or content over time. That's it. You've set up an effective Squarespace drip campaign.